This is Dan Snyder, who is the Vice President of Engineering at Jet Air Technologies in Ventura, California. We're now in Germany at Cologne at Anuga Food Tec. And Dan, how is business at the moment for you?
Business has slowed down for us. We're not getting a lot of cancellations. We're getting a lot of people that are just pushing orders.
Yeah.
And I think there's been a lot of, at least in our North American market, there's been a lot of people waiting to see what's going to happen with our new president. There's a lot of people concerned about what's happening with some of these debt reduction programs and billions and billions of dollars that we're spending to bail out our financial community. I think all this waiting has pushed our orders, pushed people's ability to be able to predict what's next, what their volumes will be. And so as they move down the food chain, there we are. As an equipment producer, we've slowed down.
And so what exactly is it you do?
Jet Air Technologies makes high-speed centrifugal blowers. We have a very innovative systems. We make the most efficient blower in our market. These blowers are typically used in the blow-off and air knife applications. That means if you have a container, before you can label it, typically you have to dry it. We make the systems that can dry containers at high speed. The high speed to us is up to 1,600 containers per minute. It's extremely fast. We make systems, basic systems, and then all the way up to that high speed that I mentioned.
And what is the application?
It's pre-labeling, pre-inkjet coating. It's drying after pasteurizers. It's before packers. Many times wet containers will foul cardboard and they need to be dry before they can be packed.
And how do you see the European development of your product?
It looks like to us that the European market right now is trailing what's going on in North America. So we saw slowdowns. We had a great end of last year, but despite that, we anticipated a big slowdown last fall, and it's slow now. It looks like in Europe that it's happened maybe 3 months after what's going on in North America.
Yeah.
So we're still selling product. I think one of the reasons why we're still selling product versus our competitors is our efficiency.
Yeah.
Energy conservation remains a big deal despite the economic downturn. And because of that, and because we're leaders in that, we continue to sell more and more systems.
Okay, well, thank you very much, sir.